Ramganing Muiwa IAS retired former secretary NEC helped launch Wildest Club official t-shirt at studio office of Econ at Tungray Humbom. Ho Ting Chang CS, who is the finance secretary of the club, shared a brief on how 9 sports enthusiasts formed the club.
That me sports the interest the luck high yeah sasero jauki focus kunde bak sasala basketball the recruit district the ka that mayan interest the that how get it in real la ka ni khom ko la ka tun la puta na khom ko la ka ta tun the page tam chhe mama ka murum la real la ka kola hala ka ni tun recruit district when the state represents that way tingung khni ishi samhong ishi so na binda ta sa le kola ma hai me de issue yana issue so na when ni khni selection ku national the mini pro when represent ma sa samhong jitra ishi la asiba ta ka ku ni khangreo ni la pasalam ta sa o zam khama ri ra sha ni la ta jiba when la nkai ting sa ke je bong le jaw bi de tun na agai the tournament ho sa se ka they took the little bit of Salas and then the Saxons in the first tournament in 2018 hopefully it will be the Mama the local governments and the show the donation kick the partner to Saxon to Salaga 2018 Hosarai Salaga 2019 the state open Sase the Satran in Far Wena Chuchan Provena Snap the Undra Tarako.
Ramganing Muiwa was presented with the club's memento and he officially launched the club's t-shirt. In his brief exhortation, he complimented the club for their initiative to promote basketball in the district and especially mentioned the physical aspect of sports as a tool to divert youths from anti-social activities.
Basketball initially, I want to compliment the Wildest Club. The basketball is something new to our area. Mr. Ho Ting Chang is on physical fitness consciousness. Here I need to area right beside the Rahman is in the Shunati at the Holishan times. It's a Kamyo behavior, physical fitness in the Gamonio by the area excited fitness in the Then he tell we, Kamaria we physical fitness we inspiration, motivation later. It's my family the Kanipur to be area beside Shutari. But it will give a Burma borders how the done. The Shon Taxisia is from the smuggler in consideration. Saying that it will be national Sanaki. General mission is the correct direction, right direction.
The club is now all set to host the 4th Winter Open Basketball Tournament 2021 from 16 to 18 December at the Sacred Heart High Secondary School, Humbum, Ukhrul headquarters. Around 15 teams from all over the state has confirmed their participation at the tournament.